You will be able to use design plans when you upgrade your chief gear. Under the description for design plans, you will be able to find this, a chief gear upgrade material. So all that you have to do is select any piece of chief gear that you would like to upgrade using the design plans, and then select gear enhancement. On the gear enhancement page for the gear that you selected, you will be able to spend hardened alloy and other materials, including the design plans, to upgrade a specific piece of gear by one level. So, as you can see on this screen, I am showing you a picture of me using hardened alloy to upgrade this piece of gear, but as long as you have a piece of gear that requires design plans instead of hardened alloy, you will be able to use it as usual to upgrade the specific piece of gear that you selected. I hope I was able to help you on how to use design plans in Whiteout Survival. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.